Hello, welcome to Kids Cooking with Zoe. It's Zoe here, and today we're making jam and jam. Strawberry homemade. Yeah, welcome back to part 2 of Tea Party. Here's what you'll need. I'm making strawberry jam. You don't have to. You can make blueberry jam, peach jam, whatever fruit of your choice. I mean, but it can't be like apple, because that's weird. So, the first thing you need to do is cut the stems off whatever fruit you have. I'm cutting my strawberries in half because they're a bit too big. Once you've done that, we're gonna put the strawberries in a medium pot on medium-high heat and let the fruit boil, stirring often. Once the fruit starts to boil, reduce the heat to low and simmer until it gets all juicy. Now you can use a potato masher or the back of a ladle to mush the fruit up to a thick puree, leaving a few chunks for texture. Now we're going to reduce the heat and put the chia seeds in and cook for 5 minutes, stirring often. Once it has a jam-like texture, we're going to remove it from the heat and stir in the vanilla. Once it's cooled to room temp, put it in a jar. And then it's time for the tea party. Yes, I'm so excited. Pumping up. Now we're gonna let a professional taste tester try the biscuit. Rating from 1 to 10. Now let me try the jam. It's amazing. It's really good.
It's a 1,000.
Thank you for cooking with me.